Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a layered footer callout using custom shapes in Photoshop. I start by opening Photoshop and creating a wide footer canvas. Then I draw a large rectangle shape as the footer base. Now I layer a smaller angled shape on top. After that I place callout text inside the top layer. Next I add a button shape using rounded rectangles. Now I align everything centrally. Then I add subtle shadows between layers. After that I adjust color contrast for visibility. Now the callout stands out. Then I zoom out to test hierarchy. After that I refine padding and spacing. Now it feels complete. Finally I polish alignment and tone. This footer callout now feels strong and modern.